How to buy additional storage in Zoho Mail. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for Zoho Mail Admin Console and navigate to its website. Once you are in the Admin Console website, sign into your Zoho Mail account first. Once you are logged in, you'll see this kind of web interface. Over here in the top right corner, you can see this upgrade option. Tap on it. Now you'll be prompted to this kind of page. From here you can choose the plan for your organization. It depends whether you are using the personal or the organizational account. Here in the top, you can select the monthly plan or the yearly plan. You can choose your desired plan according to the storage size and features that you need. You have various options. You can choose your preferred one and simply tap on this upgrade button. After that, you can follow the prompts to complete the payments. And that's it. That's how you can easily buy additional storage in Zoho Mail. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.